Hi guys, a pleasant morning. Warm welcome to parents and students. So far, for past 3 days, you have been writing your classwork by seeing your review videos. Am I right? So in such case, today you are going to see English. So we are going to write grammar book exercises in this part. Okay, so I have seen all your mails and whatever photos you have attached. So many have tried your own answers. So good, keep it up, keep trying. Now let's move on to the grammar exercises. So this is your grammar book. Am I right? Now we are going to do the first exercise which is there in the page number 4. So these are the answers. You just check it and note it down properly with the pencil. Use only pencil in your grammar book. This is the answer for exercise 1. Now let's move on to the exercise 2. So exercise 2, here even you write the answer. If the given space is not enough, nearby the word even you just draw a line and start writing. So write it neatly, don't scribble like anything. Many have to improve your handwriting. You better utilize this time properly. Now let's move on to the exercise 3. So here whatever corrections I have did it, just do that alone. Now exercise 4, so far I didn't teach you how to write a letter. So let's leave that as it is. No need to write it. Now let's move on to the exercise 5. So exercise 5, there is no space to write an answer in the book. So you have to write that exercise in your classwork note. So in your classwork note, you have to write grammar chapter 1 exercise 5 and in the bracket you have to mention the page number and write that. So in the first one answer is there in the book. So from second one I have attached here. So just write it as it is in the slide. Now see up to 8 it is here. In the next slide you have 9 and 10. Okay. Now let's move on to the exercise 6. So exercise 6, these are the answers for exercise 6. So pause the video wherever you want and then write it down. After that, let's move on to the exercise 7. So exercise 7 answers I have attached here. So far you might have not touched your grammar book. So take it properly, write it neatly. And then exercise 8. So these are the answers. Pass it and write it neatly. Now let's move on to the chapter 2. So chapter 2, the present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. So the first exercise. Complete this sentence with just and the present perfect tense form of the verb in the box. So what is the verb form for present perfect tense? The verb form is has or have plus verbs past participle form. Okay, so according to that you have to write this exercise. So have attached answers, you read it properly and then give a try. After that check the answers with this. If you have written it wrongly, you just change it. Now let's move on to the exercise 2. Here what you have to do is you have to write the verb in the present perfect tense and you have to write it. So here I have attached the answer for 6 questions. Okay, read it and write it properly. Let's move on to the next one. So this is exercise 3. So I have attached answers here. So if you want to give a try, you can try it on your own in the rough note. After that you can check the answers and write in the grammar book. Now let's move on to the next exercise. So exercise 4. So here the answer is. So 10 sentences are there. See it properly and write it. Now let's see for exercise 5. So these are the answers. See here you have to write the given sentence in the negative form using the words given in the bracket. So according to that I have written the answers. Okay. Now let's see the next one. That is exercise 6. So exercise 6 answers I have attached here. So answer this question using the verb in the present perfect continuous form. So I have tried using it. So first second one it is different. So we couldn't use that present perfect continuous form. So I have used this answer. This is different from all. So write this answers as I said. Now let's move on to the next one. Exercise 7. See the given title. Draw the hands of the clock to show time. Make sentence in the present perfect continuous tense using the pictures. So you have to write a sentence like this. They have given an example. So here I have given my own sentence. For exercise 7, you can write your own sentence. So you can give any name, whatever you want. If you know that you are not clear with your answer, then copy it from this slide. So this is your today's target. Finish it and send it to the given email ID. You know how to send it, right? Send it as a PDF. Thank you. Let's meet in the next session. Bye. Take care.